This is a copper wire truck. Look at those nice tires in the back, and that's the hitch where I'm gonna build a trailer eventually. And just a little round view of it. And these are toys that you play with, so you can drive this and then keep on maintaining it as the wires erode and break, and you just keep on building it and making it better as you go. Here in a moment, I'll display the suspension, which I have a pole that turns the wheels, and it's the mechanism that you put in there and you push it, and then you turn the pole, and it also turns the car, and you push it and walk with it like walking your dog. This is the first model that I built of a truck bed that's finished. I have a little engine in that one, but this one is an electric one, so there is no engine in it. As you can see, it's a little semi, and this other one is the truck.